Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports.
This 2016 Can-Am SPYDER F3 SE6 Limited, with 3,887 miles, passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, and reverse. The SPYDER delivers the thrill and excitement of motorcycling on the stability of 3 wheels, backed by impressive stopping power and tight handling. Powered by a 1330cc inline 3-cylinder Rotax engine, the SPYDER puts 115 horsepower and 95 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 948 pounds and has a 29-inch seat height.
To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.